In this video, I'll show you how to manage Wise card spending limits. Step 1. Open a Wise app or website. Log into your Wise account on the app or at wise.com. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Go to the Cards tab. Select the Cards tab in your dashboard to see all your Wise cards and spending limits. Step 3. View your spending limits. Select your spending limits to see the daily and monthly limits applied to your cards, including ATM withdrawal limits. Step 4. Edit account and card limits. Under Account Limits and Cardholder Limits, select Edit. Enter your preferred daily or monthly limits and confirm. For business accounts, set team limits and cardholder limits from the Team section. Step 5. Save and confirm. Confirm your new limits. Your Wise card will now use those limits for authorization and security. Tips and security. Adjust limits to suit your needs and help prevent fraud. You can monitor usage in the app and reset or increase limits as needed. Team members for business can only spend within designated personal and team limits. Owners can set global limits for business cards. And that's how you manage your spending limits on Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments.